Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have Python or a virtualenv installed. Now start Pycharm and open the settings. Once inside, go directly to File Settings or Pycharm Preferences, then choose Project and Project Interpreter. You do this because Pycharm needs to know which executable to run for editing, running, and debugging. Make sure to select the correct project from the top left, otherwise you'll change the wrong environment. This first step points the IDE at the Python binary you intend to use. Once in the Project Interpreter pane, click the gear icon and pick Add to register a new interpreter. Choose the type: System for a global Python, virtualenv for project isolation, Conda for Anaconda, or Docker if you containerize. Each choice configures paths and packages differently. Then browse to the Python executable or point to a venv folder so Pycharm can index it. You do this because the interpreter determines libraries and linting. Changing types may require creating an environment first. After selecting or adding the interpreter, click Apply or OK and allow Pycharm to sync packages and rebuild indexes. Then run a short script or open the Python console to confirm the runtime and installed packages match expectations. If you see import errors or version mismatches, double-check the interpreter path and recreate the virtualenv if necessary. If things still misbehave, invalidate caches and restart Pycharm. This often resolves stale indexing issues and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.